My dear students, competitive JEE NEET 2025 focus. Same time board exams, CBSE, ICSE, intermediate focus. What is autocatalysis? Autocatalysis. You see, during a chemical reaction, if one of the products formed act as a catalyst, the phenomena is called autocatalysis. So, what is catalyst? Which is speed up the reaction without being consumed up. ఒక రసాయనిక చర్యలో ఒక చర్య వేగాన్ని పెంచే పదార్థం తాను రసాయనిక చర్యలో పాల్గొనకుండా రసాయనిక చర్య వేగాన్ని పెంచేదాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే క్యాటలిస్ట్ అంటాం. క్యాటలిస్ట్ నథింగ్ బట్ which speed up the reaction, which increase the rate of the reaction without being consumed up. తాను చర్యలో పాల్గొనకుండా చర్య వేగాన్ని పెంచేదాన్ని ఏమంటామంటే క్యాటలిస్ట్ అంటాం. ఓకే which speed up the reaction. You see, this is a chemical reaction. Here what is autocatalysis? This is a product. This reaction, this is a product. Potassium sulfate, manganese sulfate, water, carbon dioxide. Arsine decomposition, arsenic hydrogen. Ethyl acetate decomposition, acetic acid, alcohol. So if one of the products, this is a manganese sulfate, act as a catalyst for this reaction. ఇక్కడ ఏర్పడ్డ మ్యాంగనీస్ సల్ఫేట్ Mn+2 ఈ చర్యకు ఉత్ప్రేరకంగా పనిచేస్తుంది. ఈ చర్య త్వరగా జరిగేటట్టు సహాయపడుతుంది. ఈ చర్య త్వరగా పూర్తి కావాలని సహాయపడుతుంది. దిస్ మ్యాంగనీస్ సల్ఫేట్ విల్ యాక్ట్ యాజ్ ఎ క్యాటలిస్ట్ విచ్ స్పీడ్ అప్ ది రియాక్షన్, విచ్ హెల్ప్స్ ది కంప్లీట్ ది రియాక్షన్, which help the reaction very quickly. So the intermediate, the product, that is manganese sulfate, that product helps to speed up the reaction. That is nothing but a autocatalyst. Here arsenic decomposition, we have arsenic hydrogen. Arsenic 15th group element. Arsenic react with hydrogen, we have hydrates. Okay. Arsenic act as a catalyst. This is a autocatalyst. Okay. This will help to improve the speed of the reaction. This is a product. This will help to improve the speed of the reaction. This is a autocatalyst. Actually, in the initial stage, we have not used any catalyst. Okay. In the initial stage, we have not used any catalyst. But after getting products, that products will act as a catalyst. చర్య జరిగిన తర్వాత ఏర్పడ్డటువంటి ప్రోడక్ట్స్లో ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ క్యాటలిస్ట్గా పనిచేస్తే దాన్ని ఆటో క్యాటలిస్ట్ అంటాం. ఏ మ్యాంగనీస్ సల్ఫేట్ క్యాటలిస్ట్గా పనిచేస్తుంది, ఆటో క్యాటలిస్ట్ అంటాం. ఆర్సిన్ డికంపోజిషన్లో ఆర్సినిక్ క్యాటలిస్ట్గా పనిచేస్తుంది, దీన్ని ఆటో క్యాటలిస్ట్ అంటాం. ఇథైల్ ఎసిటేట్ని undergo hydrolysis, we have acetic acid, alcohol. Here acetic acid also speed up this reaction. Acetic acid also will help to complete the reaction as early as possible. So this acetic acid will act as a catalyst. We have products, acetic acid, alcohol, but acetic acid again will act as a catalyst to complete this reaction, to speed up this reaction. So will be called as a autocatalyst. Manganese sulfate called as a autocatalyst, arsenic called as a autocatalyst, acetic acid as a autocatalyst. So in a chemical reaction, if one of the products formed act as a catalyst. So ఈ productsలో ఏదైనా ఒక ప్రోడక్ట్ మళ్ళా క్యాటలిస్ట్గా పనిచేస్తే that catalyst is called as a autocatalyst. I think you have a clarity. What is catalyst? Which speed up the reaction without being consumed up, which alters the rate of the reaction, which we can say, which increase the speed of the reaction, we can say, without being consumed up. తాను చర్యలో పాల్గొనకుండా చర్య వేగాన్ని పెంచే పదార్థాన్ని క్యాటలిస్ట్ అంటాం. సో బట్ హియర్ వీ హ్యావ్ నాట్ యూజ్డ్ ఎనీ catalyst, but చర్య జరిగిన తర్వాత ఏర్పడే పదార్థము ఈ చర్యకు ఉత్ప్రేరకంగా పనిచేస్తే ఆఫ్టర్ కంప్లీషన్ ఆఫ్ ది రియాక్షన్ manganese sulfate act as a catalyst which is speed up the reaction, which is completes the reaction. Arsenic, which is speed up the reaction. Acetic acid, which is speed up the reaction. Again, homogeneous heterogeneous catalyst. Reactants. This is a product. This is a catalyst. Reactants, products. Reactants, products. This is a catalyst. This is a catalyst. So what the reactants and catalysts are in the same phase. The process is said to be homogeneous catalyst. This is a gas state. This is a gas state. This is also gas state. So this is said to be homogeneous catalysis. This is a liquid state. Ethyl acetate liquid state. This is the liquid state. This is a H plus presence of acid. This is also liquid state. We can say homogeneous. This is a aqueous solution. Sucrose, aqueous solution. Water also liquid. Sulfuric acid act as a catalyst. This is also liquid. Both are liquid state. Reactants to catalyst liquid state. Reactant to catalyst to liquid state. Reactant to catalyst liquid state. Liquid state. This is a gas state. This is a liquid state. This is a liquid state. If reactants and catalyst are same state, this is a gas, this is a gas. This is a liquid, this is a liquid. This is a liquid, this is a liquid. That is called homogeneous. Heterogeneous. This is a gas, this is a platinum solid. Different state. Reactant, product, different state. That is heterogeneous catalysis. This is a gas, this is a gas. Iron is a solid state. So we can say heterogeneous catalysis. Ammonia gas, oxygen gas, platinum solid. So this is a heterogeneous catalyst. If reactants and catalysts are in different states, we can say it is called heterogeneous catalysis. Like, share, subscribe for CBSE board exam and JEE NEET. Thank you.